How to delete all Instagram messages at once. Hey everyone, this is Lucy and let's get started. So, first you need to open your Instagram app and make sure you are logged in with the same account you want to delete all your messages. So, if you go to your DMs, then you will see that there are no options that you can delete your messages all at once. So what you're gonna do is go back and click on your profile located at the bottom right corner of your screen. What you're gonna do is click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. You need to scroll down and go to for professionals. So you just need to click on account type and tools. So here you will see account type, two options: switch to professional account and add new professional account at the top. So you're just gonna click on switch to professional account, click on next. So here you can select a category. I'll just click on video creator and click on switch to professional account. It will ask you what type of professional are you. Just click on creator and next, and just click on not now. Click on the cross icon and you have just switched to a professional account. Now go back to your DMs. You will see this icon next to your profile name. So it has dots and three lines. This will allow you to select messages from your DMs, and now you can delete them by clicking on the delete button at the bottom right of your screen. And as you can see, I have deleted 5 of the DMs just now. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.